video. From there we'll be using this one, AAV3, like this one, and like that says PSD, that's for stands for Photoshop file, and you need to go to photopea.com. okay, then drag and drop source file into this area, and after that you need to double click this part where it says edit here. So this is a square icon, click this, and in Photoshop it will have something like pepper icon. All right, so in the subject area you need to double click this one, and as you can see we have Ali Abdaal right now, and now we are going to swap that with our image. So here is my character, so you can upload any images of yours without any backgrounds. You can easily go to erase.bg and upload your videos. It will be automatically removed, I mean the background will be removed. Alright, once you have the images, you need to just again drag and drop into the canvas area, and hold down the one of the anchor like this and just make it bigger until it fits the area, something like this, looking pretty good. Okay, then click the tick icon and hide the previous layer. Now you have to press Ctrl+S to save these changes, and then go to the subject area, and you can see it's changed, but the color is quite a little bit off. So if you think it's kindly not as your preferred look, then what you can do, you can click like disable the icon. So for this example, I guess this two will be a nice fit to go. Alright, now to edit the icons, you need to expand the icon folder, and from there double click this this icon, and then you have to select this one, like auto select. You need to press tick and it will be good to go. Click on the icon and it will open this layer and shows this type of thing. From there you need to double click this icon again, and then you need to drop down, drop your icon. So you can go to flat icons. There's tons of places to get icons, so I'm not going to bother you with this thing. Alright, so I'm going to drop this one, click the tick arrow, hide the previous one, and press Ctrl+S. You always have to keep in mind that you have to press Ctrl+S in order to changes to happen in the previous canvas, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to do one icon again, and then I will going to move to the next one. So drop it down, click the arrow, hide the previous layer, Ctrl+S to save it, and go back to the main area. Okay, and now you can also change the background color of these icon boxes. It's pretty easy to do it. So you just simply click on the area of the box, and then click here. There is small square icon, so you need to click this one, and then you can choose your color. Do the same thing for this one as well. So double click this area. I guess this seems good. Hit OK, and then you have to press Ctrl+S to save it again. Then go to the layer 1 styles, the subject, and as you can see this icon has been changed. It also have the curvature look, so you don't have to do anything else. I guess that's pretty much it. And if you want to change the highlight color in this area like this, it really makes the thumbnail look more pop. So you should definitely have this enabled, and double click this area. This is go left or right, the color changes. So you have to play around a little bit to find the color that fits your need. So I'm going to choose for something like orange, so here it is. Alright, so again click this icon and we are done, but not yet. If you go and file and export as JPG, that's fine, you can get this look, but you have to again press Ctrl+S to save it, and then go to this layer, like it says AAV3.psd, because it has some extra additional effects applied onto the entire thing. To see the changes, you can go and disable the smart filter object. I prefer you enable this one, but it actually gives a very nice look on the entire thumbnail. Alright, now you can go to file, then export as, then choose JPG and select 100% of the quality color, only the quality, sorry. So then press hit save. Man, my English is so bad. Alright, so this is the final look we got, and as you can see, it actually will not take more than 5 minutes or 2 minutes for you, because as I'm explaining this video, so it's going to be much more longer. But so if you want to get the ultimate pick and a walkthrough video of how easy it is, you can click this video. It's free. You get the link from the description box below. See you in the next video. Stay creative and keep creating. Bye bye. Wait.